Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an API key from OpenWeather. First, log into your OpenWeather account. Once in, click on Pricing. Here, you can see subscriptions for your API. You can just choose one, but if you want a free one, scroll down until you see free access. In here, you can get an API key for free. After that, click on API keys. And here you can create a key. Just type in a name for it. Then click on generate. Now you have your API key. You can also make another one. And that's it. You now have an API key from OpenWeather. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.